What should you expect when you hire my firm? Great question. First thing is we will put your insurance company and the at-fault, most importantly, the at-fault insurance company or companies, because it may be multiple vehicles involved here who are legally responsible for causing your accident, on notice of the fact that we represent you and that we want a certified copy of the policy of the at-fault driver or drivers, which will list the coverages of what we may need to prosecute this case. We will then send you to a chiropractor or an orthopedist, be treated, have an MRI or MRIs or other tests. We will then, once you've completed your medical treatment, get all your records, medical records or other records, medical bills, ask you for the amount of any wage loss that you've sustained, and then we will put a demand for settlement in and see if we can amicably resolve this. If we cannot, with your authorization, we will then file a lawsuit. As far as what we need from you, we will need the police report, if you have it, a case number, or the driver's exchange form, which again, hopefully the police officer's given to you. That is the big first step in a case, because we need to know who the at-fault driver is. If you have the little business card, we then have to get the police report to find out who the at-fault parties or party is. As far as time frame, varies from case to case, as each individual has its own, his or her own distinct characteristics. Every case is different. Some cases might be resolvable within a year. Some cases may take multiple years to resolve. The way to think about it is the more hurt you are, the more medical treatment you will need. So more medical treatment you will need means more time that this case will go on. But it's all in an endeavor to get you fair compensation. Will you have to go to court? That's a great question. It depends on whether or not there's contested liability or not. If the liability issue is not an issue, if the other driver is clearly at fault, then more than likely this case will be resolvable, your case will be resolvable amicably outside of court without having to file a lawsuit.